Hi, I'm Shreya. Welcome to Purple Seashells. We're not making 1, 2, or 3. We're making 6 different ideas with clothespins. So for the butterfly, all you need is a clothespin and some paint or markers, anything so you can design your clothespin. I used markers, and then on the wings, you can do any shape you like. I did like a big V here and a tiny V, and then I just connected like a heart and then did the same with the other one. And some googly eyes. Now we're going to glue on the wings. Now let's add glue to the back of the butterfly wings, like right there. And now open your clothespin, just like that, and then flip your butterfly wings like that, and do this. Just like that. Now let's add in the googly eyes. There is your butterfly. Now let it dry. Number 2, the bunny. You want to paint your clothespin any color you like. I painted it purple. And you'll need a pom-pom, the same color as your clothespin, and some googly eyes. Let's get started. Take your pom-pom and press it. And we'll put the googly eyes on the pom-pom. After it's dry, you want to put some glue behind the pom-pom and then press it on to let it dry. Now let's move on to number 3, the caterpillar. So take a clothespin and paint it any color you like, and take some pom-poms. I'm going to flatten the pom-pom, the one I'm doing first, and then add the googly eyes. Let that dry. Meanwhile, let's glue on the other pom-poms. Let it dry. Let's move on to number 4, the bumblebee. So take a clothespin and paint it yellow and draw black lines or stripes. And to do the head, take a pipe cleaner and roll it. So let's glue on the googly eyes onto the glue on the head. Let it dry. To make the wings, take a small black pipe cleaner. To get it evenly, you want to fold it like this and then open it. And see this middle? Go ahead and turn it there like that. Do it with the other pipe cleaner, the other wing. And your wings are done. Now let's glue on our wings. Add some glue to the wings and then put the wing towards the end like there, just like that. Let it dry. Let's move on to number 5, the superhero. You'll need a clothespin, a triangle-shaped construction paper. Take a square or rectangle for the mask. If you want, you can color your clothespin beige. Take your cape and glue it to the clothespin. Now, glue on the mask. Add the eyes. If you want, you can add a little bit hair. Let our superhero dry. Time for number 6, the dragonfly. You'll need a clothespin. You can paint it in any design you like. I painted red and green stripes or lines, and some googly eyes, and 2 pipe cleaners. Let's go ahead and make the wings. To make the wings, we are just gonna fold it like this, like we did for the bumblebee. Open it, twist it, do the same with the other one. Like that. Do the same one with the other one. Like that. Now let's twist both of your wings like that. Take a little bit of glue and add it to the wings. Like that. Open your clothespin and just like that. Let it dry. Now let's add in the googly eyes. Adjust your wings like this. Now it's ready. Once they're dry, let's have fun with them. I'm Mrs. Bunny. Oh, hello, Miss Bunny. I'm Mr. Caterpillar. Oh, what a busy day again. Oh, hi, little brother. What? You're his big sister? Yes, I am. Oh, you don't know. He's gonna turn into a butterfly just like me. Really? Yeah. I hope you try all these fun crafts and enjoy them just like me. Give a big thumbs up if you like this video. Bye. Please subscribe to Purple Tea Show.